Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video I'm going to take you through how to restore recently closed tab, and then also if you rebooted your PC without safely bookmarking your web pages, your tabs in Google Chrome, you need to follow this tutorial to learn how to restore all your tabs in the Google Chrome browser after the reboot or after the restart. So the first thing I will do is to take you through how to restore a recently closed tab on the Google Chrome browser. So this is the Microsoft website. So let's just go ahead and then close this one, and then that page is gone. So to restore that particular page, all you need to do is to right click any empty space beside the new tab button. So right click over here and then select the reopen closed tab. Once you select that, that particular page, the recently closed page, which is the Microsoft website, will reopen. Or you can also press the key combination, the Control Shift plus C, and then that tab will come back for you. So I'll select the reopen closed tab, and then you can see that the Microsoft web page has opened again. If you rebooted your PC and then when you're rebooting the PC, you didn't safely shut down your Chrome browser, you didn't bookmark your pages, but the reboots forcefully closed all your tabs in the Google Chrome browser by closing the browser itself. You need to follow this to learn how to restore your tabs in your Google Chrome browser. So to do this, let's just close this browser with all the tabs. I'll close that, and to restore that, all you need to do is to double click on Google Chrome to open it again. And then when that opens, you want to select the three dots at the top right hand side, mouse over the history option, and then under the history you will see the tabs, the recent tabs that were closed. So this is the one I recently closed. So all I need to do is to mouse over it to the right and select this option here which says restore window. Click on that, and then you can see that all my tabs are back. They are 18 in number. None of them were lost. So all of them have been restored or have reappeared. So it actually opens it in a fresh Google Chrome browser. So you can see that this is the original browser we used to restore the browsers that we closed earlier. So if you accidentally reboot your PC, or the PC reboots by itself by shutting down all your tabs on your Google Chrome browser, this is an easy way to restore your tabs. Kindly click on the subscribe button to support us to bring you more of such videos. Click the like button if this was helpful. Share the video, and then I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.